Okay, now we are standing outside of the ice facility. Here we have three sets of 5 ton per day tube ice machine. In this room, this is the machine number 1. Machine number 2. Machine number 3. All these machines have been well tested in my facility, and right now they have been installed. Here is the big screw conveyor. This is the one, big screw conveyor. It takes all the ice tubes into the packing room, and ice made by the machine number 1, number 2, number 3, all the ice will be collected by this big screw conveyor. This is the screw conveyor. Yeah, this is the machine. And this is the compressor. We checked the compressor model before. It's a 15 horsepower piston compressor. All the machines are the same, 15 horsepower. That is why the machine is power saving. Okay. This small screw conveyor will take the ice to that side, and finally all the ice will be collected by this big screw conveyor. This is the big one. Okay, the screw conveyor takes the ice to another room over that side. Now we're going to check that side. Yeah, this room will be used for packing. All ice will be packed here. outside this ice packing room, we have two ice storage room. This is the ice storage room number 1, and this is the ice storage room number 2. These two will be used for ice storage. Ice cubes are packed into bags, and then the packaged ice will be preserved inside. Room number 2, room number 1. Let's go inside. Okay. We can see the ice tubes are completely transparent, crystal, and beautiful. Here we have a customer come to take the ice, and that is 1 ton of ice.